Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing the attentional processes. So firstly, let us understand what is attention. So attention is the process, through which certain stimuli are selected from a group of others. So attention does have three very important properties too. So we have the concentration, we have the alertness, and we do have the search. So when we talk about alertness is all about an individual's readiness, to deal with the stimuli. How quickly the individual wants to comprehend or understand the stimuli. When I talk about concentration, it is all about focusing of awareness. How focused am I? The fact being that I am being aware absolutely, and my focus is entirely on being aware of the certain event or object, and at the same time I'm also excluding the others because my entire focus goes on that object or event, and I'm quite aware of the fact. And when I talk about search is that how much is the observer looking out for that particular object or event, how much he wants to look out for it, so that is the search part. So when I talk about attention further, so attention does have the focus and it does have the fringe as well. So this is another concept where the focus means that in the field of awareness, my entire focus is centered, it is entirely concentrated on that particular object or event. So I'm entirely aware, I'm entirely focused on that object or event, and that is what is called the focus or the focal point of attention. And on the other hand, when I talk about not being in sync, or I'm not entirely aware of that object or event, or so to say, the object or event is not my center of awareness, I'm absolutely away from it, and I'm barely aware of it, very vaguely, not very clearly aware of it. So that is what is called that we are at the fringe of attention, and so we have attention, and we do have three types of attention, rather. So we have the selective attention, we have the sustained attention, and we have the divided attention, about which we'll be discussing in the next audio video recordings. So till then, this was it. Thank you so much.